Model, 2021 Renault Master MOVANO Business Front-Wheel Drive, LL35 2.3 dCi 145 low loader Luton. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 143,823. MOT, 20 January 2025. Engine, 2299 cc 150 hp 6D temp, light duty, front-wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Check engine light on the dash. Possibly needs the engine replacing, thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, cruise control, reversing camera.